morning, everyone. Welcome to Fresh Digital Hub. In Fresh Digital Hub, we bring you tips, know-how, on how to go about the world of technology. Today, I'm going to show you the simplest and easiest way to generate audio from text. So I will show you the text. Here is our text. I have typed it in our notepad. Picture this, all blah 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 up to the last part. So I want this test is just like a 1 minute test. So we'll try to turn this to an audio in a simple manner without paying a dime using our phone, and that's all. Okay, now let's go back. We'll head right to Chrome. We'll go to Chrome, enter Chrome. Okay, let me open something. Okay, in this search bar or type URL, the name of the website is Descript, DESCRIPT.com. Descript, just like you are writing description, but add the ION at the end. So descript.com, click on go. It will bring you to this site. So one thing with this website is that it's very easier to use, very accessible, but normal phone view to desktop view, because if you use your phone view, this is what it will show. You get the script on desktop because it doesn't work on mobile, but we have the way to navigate that and use it on the web using our phones. So you just come here in your Chrome, come to here. This is where I'm showing you these three dots. Click on it, come down, you see desktop site. This is desktop site. See it? Click on desktop site, it will load. So if you can create an account with them. Here is my account. Let me show you. It's very simple to create an account. Let me log out and show you where it will take us to. If you log out, all right, it's loading. This the sign up page. Very simple, very easy, without any much confusion, no struggles. This site, I just love it. It's very simple. That's the site I'm using to turn all my tests to audio. And one thing with this site is that you can even record your voice and it can turn all your tests using your voice. So you can sign up using Google or write your email address. If you fill it, it will just log automatically. So me, I have an account. We'll just sign in using Google. Let's sign in. My email, let's use this one. Okay. It's loading. It's loading. It's very simple. They didn't complicate their sites. Everything seems very simple and easier to navigate. So you can read all these things. You see, it can be used for podcasting, transcription, video editing, AI voices. Easily create a realistic voice clone or pick from our stock AI voices. You see, you can even use it for remote recording. Even if you are using systems or laptops, you see, you can even screen record using them. So you can download their free desktop application. It's very free, not like other side that they will ask you to pay. But here we are using web. So if you go down, that's the last thing you see it here. This place, you see continue on web. Click on it. So if you click on it, it will load. So this is the interface. In case it didn't show, it shows you profile. It shows you something like this. So come towards the extreme right, this discrete symbol by the top left hand side, click on it. So it will show you the main face. You don't have any project here. I have project. You see new project. Click on new project. We are going for audio project. Click on audio project. Audio project, you select either to record yourself, okay, to write AI speeches, to import from Zoom. If you have a video from Zoom, you can import it, or to browse from template. But here we are starting with write AI speech. This place, write AI speech. Click on it. Then see, they will ask you to select speaker. So select, you see, they ask you to select speaker, so you can browse from their stock AI speakers. So let's start with that one. Okay, let's see, you can be clicking on them and choose which one you can be adjusting with using two fingers to zoom in or zoom out. So it's easier to navigate, and you will see anyone that does. So I don't think twice, but deep like, and the place. So just click on the name, you will take it, then you see none has appeared. That's the name of my voice. So I have copied my text that I showed you at the beginning. You paste it here. After you paste it, it will load. You will zoom down. If you check down, let me close this. Keep go down. It is loading. It is loading. You see, it is loading. So you give it some few seconds to load the voice so that it will process everything. It doesn't take time at all, unless if your network is bad. But here we don't have any issue. You can name your creation like story. No, we can set podcasting. No, only audio podcasting one. So you can name it anything. Then close this. Okay. Then then anywhere you are, you can hold down, tap on the screen and hold it small. This pop-up will come out, this menu option. You see, play, turn speakers, preview selection, paste spatial, anything. So we want to play, we'll play it. So let's see.
Picture this. You have a brilliant idea for a
Just
podcast,
load
an
the voice
audiobook, or perhaps a series of educational videos. The creative spark is
on
there,
WhatsApp.
but the thought of spending hours
I
recording.
will display my phone number in the comment section. You can go there and you can chat me up on WhatsApp so that I will give you the full version and everything. If you have listened to everything or you want to replay it, you go to the extreme and close this keyboard, go to the last end. You see, if you this by your right hand side, you have seen a panel. This panel made of different things. You can add sounds and other things, but this one is advanced. I don't want to go there. So if you are done here, you can come to the extreme up. Let me see. Okay, we are here. So close your keyboard. So close your keyboard. So you'll come here towards the right hand side. No, not here. Go back. Oops. Let me see. Go back. Come back here. Yeah. Oops. Sorry. These three dots here. Click on it. No, not. You see publish. You can zoom in. You see publish. Click on publish. You can publish. You can publish. You have to publish first before you download your audio so that it will create this audio for you. Wait for it for some few seconds. It has published. Then come back here. Beside publish here, you will see export. Click on export. So just click on export. It will download your audio for you. Very simple. Click on it. You see it is downloaded. So let's check it. You see it's downloaded with even your name, podcasting 101. Let's play it and see. And it's much